Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get a silky smooth skin. I mean, those keratosis pilaris, those chicken skin, those strawberry skin, those acne on your body. We are going to be addressing how to get rid of them on this video. Before we proceed, I would want to make a special plea. If you're watching this video, kindly like my videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and share, all right, so that the algorithm will see it. Oh, this is a valuable content, and push it to more audience. All right, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I made lists of some body lotions and body wash you can use to get rid of keratosis pilaris. You can use to get rid of body acne. You can use to get rid of chicken skin. So you have so many options to pick from. I have some product lists that I'm going to be sharing with you. I listed some body wash, I listed some body lotions. I did this with the intention of making provision for everyone. So if you try a particular one and you feel like it's not working for you, go ahead and try other ones. They will definitely work for you. All right, so you won't say, oh, this one did not work for me, therefore nothing is working. Bumpy skin can be caused by so many things. It can be caused by skin dryness. It can be caused by hot shower. If you're always having hot baths, it is not good for your skin. It can be caused by harsh skincare products. This is harming your skin, okay? So if you're having keratosis pilaris, or you feel your skin is always rough and dry, it could be that you are doing one of these things. And also, I need to also make you understand that some of these things can be genetic. So if you notice in your gene, you people have this kind of skin, it means it's from your gene, and you can also manage it with skincare products. Keratosis pilaris, on the other hand, is caused by keratin buildup on the hair follicles. It can also be genetic, and it can also come as a result of shaving. If you notice that each time you shave your pubic areas, or you shave your skin, or those people that love shaving their skin, this can cause keratosis pilaris. So if you want to really get rid of those hairs and you notice that you're always having keratosis pilaris each time you shave, you might as well wash. Another way you can treat your keratosis pilaris is by using exfoliating brush in your routine. It helps a lot with keratosis pilaris. So this is one equipment you want to add to your exfoliating skincare routine, as it will help you. This is from experience. A lot of people say it helps. So if you're battling with this kind of skin concern, you want to include exfoliating brush in your skincare routine. I also need to add that your bumpy skin can be as a result of clogged pores. So if you're not exfoliating your skin, you have to start exfoliating. All the products I'm going to be mentioning on this video will help you with your chicken skin, will help you with your dry skin, will help you with your rough and bumpy skin. One way to get rid of your chicken skin, strawberry skin, rough, bumpy skin, if you have body acne, is by using products that contain AHAs. AHAs are exfoliants. They are chemical exfoliants. Examples are the amlactin lotion. This lotion contains 12% lactic acid. So this lactic acid is an AHA, and this is what is going to help you get rid of that chicken skin. It will exfoliate your skin. It will make your skin smoother. This product is also going to help you boost your skin natural renewal process. All right. So if you're the type that your skin finds it difficult to shed dead skin cells, this ingredient is going to help you with that, to hasten the process. Now, this is my honest review on this body lotion. Based on my experience, I will tell you that this body lotion works. If you want a smoother skin, if you want to smoothen your skin, if you want to make your skin better, this body lotion is very good as long as you use it well. When I talk about using it well, this is what I mean. You know, this is not a body lotion you use on daily basis. So this body lotion is an exfoliant because it contains 12% lactic acid. So this ingredient, you are not to use it every day. You are to use it only 3 times a week. Of course, it's an exfoliant, so you should use it as an exfoliant. I also need to add that this lactic acid contained in this body lotion makes your skin sensitive to the sun. All right, to be on a safer side, you want to adjust to using it only at night, 3 times weekly. And when you're using this body lotion, it is very important that you also have moisturizing body lotion in your routine. You use this body lotion at night. Next morning, you use your moisturizing body lotion to balance the whole thing. When you're using this body lotion, please wear your sunscreen. Another body lotion you can also use to treat keratosis pilaris, bumpy skin, is the Alpha Renewal Lotion. This body lotion is very good. It contains 12% glycolic acid. This glycolic acid is an exfoliant. You know how you use glycolic acid to get rid of hyperpigmentation on your face? This is the same ingredient this Alpha Renewal Lotion contains. So it's going to help you to get rid of any bump on your skin. But if you have a sensitive skin, you want to use amlactin. Amlactin contains lactic acid, and lactic acid is mild on the skin more than glycolic acid. So if you have a sensitive skin, any little thing flares your skin up, please use amlactin lotion. Amlactin will do your skin just fine. You use this body lotion only at night. Use it only at night 3 times weekly. Okay, let's say you use it on Monday. The next time you should use it should be on Wednesday. Next time you should use it should be on Friday. Okay, this is how to use this body lotion appropriately. And you also need to have a sunscreen in your routine for your body. A very good sunscreen you can use for your body that I consider quite affordable is the Hatomogi sunscreen. So you want to get this anytime you're buying this body lotion with the intention of using it on your body. Another area I would want to touch when it comes to treating bumpy skin, body acne, is the use of products that contains BHA. BHAs are also exfoliants. Examples of this BHA is your salicylic acid. So any products that contain salicylic acid will help with your body acne. An example of a product that contains this is the CeraVe salicylic acid lotion for rough and bumpy skin. So if you come across this body lotion, it is also a very good choice if you have body acne. You also have the Diesel anti-acne body lotion. This one is all over in the market and I think it's quite affordable. So this is also a very good choice if you're on a budget. It contains salicylic acid and this will help with your body acne. So guys, another body lotion that can help you treat your rough and bumpy skin is the Eucerin Roughness Relief Body Lotion. This body lotion contains urea. It contains AHA, although the percentage of the AHA was not mentioned. It also contains ceramides. Now this is not only going to exfoliate your skin, it is also going to moisturize your skin. So if you're struggling with rough skin, you're struggling with bumpy skin, this is a very good option. But if you want to be sure if it is going to work or not, kindly stick to amlactin or the Alpha Renewal Body Lotion if you want to be sure, because I did not see the percentage of the AHA it contains. Now let's talk about body wash. One of the body wash you can use to get rid of bumps on your skin is the Natorium Glycolic Acid Body Wash. That body wash is everything and more. It will gently exfoliate your skin and make it very smooth. It will help with your chicken skin. It will help with your strawberry skin. All right. So this is a very good option. And as I always mention, you don't use this body wash every day. Come on, it's an exfoliant. Use it only 3 times weekly. Okay. So the second body wash I'm going to be recommending for you is the Medix 5.5 Lactic Acid and Glycolic Acid Wash. This is a very good body wash. If you cannot afford the Natorium Glycolic Acid Body Wash, you can also go for this one. This is a more affordable option and it works. All these products that I mentioned here are all effective. So whichever one you want to buy them. They all work. One thing for sure is I'm going to give you products that I'm very sure of. If they're not going to work, I'll tell you to save your money. All right. I've been in this field. I'm quite knowledgeable about these things. So I'm only going to point out the best for you. So if you want to invest your money, you will do it with an open heart. And at the end of the day, you come and say thank you to me, because why not? This is my own contribution to sisterhood. All right. So I think I have exhausted everything I have to say on today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we grow together. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.